Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get paid from Yelp for removing spam comments. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is go on over to yelp.careers. And now once you're here, we need to do a search. So search for a job from along the lines user operations associate or content moderation specialist, then click search. So from here, we want to scroll down and look for anything that's similar to this in their search results. So keep scrolling down all the listings and see if you can find it. If they've got any positions available to relating to removing spam comments as a job, go ahead and apply for it. So say for example, this is the job here you want to apply for, just simply click into it, scroll down, you can have a read of the role. And now if it's the role you want, we want to go ahead and click on apply now. These type of jobs come up every now and then, so I can't see any at the time recording, but when you're watching it, they might have positions available. So now what we need to do is go ahead and click on apply for this job online, and also don't forget to send in your cover letter as well. And you also need to be prepared. You need your application site focus on your moderation skills and experience to show your attention and critical thinking abilities. Also add positive reviews from previous employees if you have any. Then once you're ready, go ahead and apply for that content moderation job to remove spam comments, photos, videos inside of Yelp.